I recently got my hands on this smart doorbell. I wanted to see how easy it is to install and what advantages it provides over my previously installed DIY doorbell. As with any commercial product, it came with everything needed for the installation right in the box. This includes the doorbell itself, the chime that plugs into the wall, and 3 labeled boxes. The boxes include the instruction manual, mounting brackets, screws, stickers, and so on. Good, nothing unusual so far. The physical setup didn't take much time, especially when I went with the battery option instead of connecting it to my current doorbell power wires. And I fixed it to the wall using a drill and a screwdriver. As instructed, I made sure it's fully charged before I used it, and the chime simply plugged into the wall outlet for power. The chime is also used as a holder for the pin to detach the doorbell. I really like that. I tend to lose those small tools, so I'm glad to see they thought about that. Like any other smart device these days, the Lindo doorbell is configured using an app. The QR link to the app is in the box. After scanning it and downloading it, I created an account, added the device, and followed the instructions. Then went through the setup to connect to Wi-Fi. And by the way, the Wi-Fi only works on the 2.4 GHz frequency, which I already have enabled on my wireless router. Last thing was to give it a name, and that was it. The doorbell feed was live. Now what's interesting about this doorbell is that it comes with 2 cameras. The top one has more of a wider view angle, and the second one is facing downwards. This is sometimes called the package camera. This is very handy to have, as doorbells with only one camera usually do not show the lower part in front of the door where packages tend to be left. The main camera is pretty decent with the 2K resolution, and unlike other doorbells that I have seen, which depend on the video feed itself to figure out motion, this one uses both a PIR and radar sensors. These sensors use way less power, which is good. Another semi-cool feature is the auto-respond. Let's say you're expecting a package at a specific time frame. You can pre-record a message, so when the delivery person rings the door, they can hear the message letting them know they can leave the package at the door. So should you get it? Well, it depends. The second camera is a good addition if you receive a lot of packages and want to keep an eye on them while away. But if you mind the price tag or having a cloud connected device, then maybe not. Otherwise, it's a pretty decent doorbell device with unique features, and you can pretty much install it anywhere because it has a built-in battery. One really cool feature though that it's not out yet, but I'm looking forward to, is the automatic package detection. It sends you a message as soon as it detects a package in the view. I will keep testing the Lindo doorbell, and I will leave any updates I have down below, so make sure to check that. And that's all for now, so thank you for watching, and thank you Lindo for sending me this doorbell.